Okay, so that's the beginning of Love Hurts by Nazareth. We got a G chord. We're going to strum the first 4 notes, and then jump down to the small string, and come back 4 strings. Do that twice. So it's... and then F to C, and do it again. So the F, I'm just doing 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. So I'm just muting the big string. You could do the big F if you want. Back to G. F to C this time. So those are like 2 beats each, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you hold that C at extra measure, and then the verse starts. It's going to start out with the G again. Now it's going to go to E minor. So we'll just go up to that B string and back 2, kind of hold that 2 on the D string for a second. Now we're going to have a C with the pinky down here on the 3. Just go straight up and down with those 5 strings there. And then D, we're going to go. So that was the bass, then the G string, then the little one to the second one. And we're going to do the C chord, 3 to 2, and then little open to 1. So the D to C was... Okay, and all that will go again. So the second time through, we're going to go from G here. We got 3, 4. E minor. C. D. C. Okay, now we're in the chorus. We're going to have the G chord, but we're going to go... We really only need this one finger for this one. We're going to go to 3, D string to G string. So it's... And then we're going to make a B7, but we don't need the whole B7. We don't need the 2 on the bottom. We just need 2, 1, 2, starting on the A string there. We're going to go 2, 1, and then second string to third string on that 2 there. So open to 2. 2, 1, open 2. Okay, so once again we got G to B7. Now we're going to go E minor, just the open and the 2 to the second string to third string. So back to the B7. So all of that was G to B7, E minor to B7. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and... Now we're back to the C with the pinky. And that D to C thing. And we're going to end with a G chord with a 3 on the second. And we got our F to C again. And then we have 2 more Gs, slightly different. We're going to jump to the high note, but only hit 3 notes coming back. We'll do that twice, so it's going to be... Okay, that sets up the next verse. Let's go through the verse again. We got 3 and 4 and G to E minor, C, D to C. We'll repeat all that. D to C. Back to the chorus. So the end of that chorus there, we have that 3 in the second string with our G. I've even seen it go like 3 to open on the second to the G string. Pick back or 3, O, whatever you like better. F to C, G to finish it off, holding that note. Okay, now we're to the bridge. We're doing E minor again. We'll hold that 2 at the end, so it's... Okay, now we're going to do B7 first and then E minor. We're going to do it 3 times, so... Okay, now we're going A major. We're gonna go all the way up. Do it twice. Now we're gonna switch to A minor. And just do it once, and then we go D, but we're gonna go. So we're gonna go D string to G string, and then kind of the top 3 notes of the chord. So it's, and then C, we have the 3 to 2, and we'll hit those top 3 strings of the C. Okay, so the bridge again was B7 to E minor, 3 times. A major, 2 times. A minor once. And then we're back to chorus. Okay, now the verse is going to repeat, but we're going to have a little solo there. It's kind of like with a slide. It's pretty easy. It's going to go, that's 15, 17, 15, 20 to 15, 19 to 17, 19, 15, kind of starts over, 17, 15, 20, 15 again, and then 7 up to 22. Okay, so one more time on that. You can kind of slide them, 17, 15, 20, 15, 19, 17, 19 to 15, starts it over, 17, 15, 20, and then kind of wait, hit your 17, and then the highest note, 22. Okay, like I said, that was over the verse chords. So then we're gonna have a chorus again. And then we're gonna repeat that. Three times, and on your F to C. All right, Love Hurts, Nazareth. Got a page of tabs with this. Talk to y'all soon.